Hey there! Today in this video, I'll show you how to line up R.D. Engineering Works LLDPE Delivery Hose Plant. First, install the main LLDPE extruder. Second, install a water tank. Third, install delivery take-up machine. Fourth, install a coiler machine. By leaving a gap of 3 to 4 feet from the delivery take-up machine. Now, if you have also purchased a jockey machine, then you can install a jockey machine on the left or right position at your convenience. After lining up all machines, the whole set will look like this. And also maintain a 1.5 feet gap after each machine. And you can install the machine's control panel and mixer near the extrusion line at your convenience. Thanks for watching this tutorial video. For more updates about our machines, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.